how can I draw perfectly straight line without measuring every single section? Is not it much easier to have a long ruler that hooks securely onto the edge of this drafting board? Oh no, I need to return this. But how I can take care of this drafting board to make sure it does not get damaged? Maybe I should ask my friend for some advice. Can you show me the T-square and the drawing back?
Sure, follow me. So here we have the A2 drawing back. Then another one, you can see we have the T-square ruler right here.
Oh, now I get it. But early, we have learned about economy, focusing the supply, demand, and the equilibrium model, right?
Yes, exactly.
How about we discuss supply, demand, and the equilibrium model using these two products, the T-square and the drawing back?
Great idea, let's go.
Let's go. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Today we are excited to share our analysis of the economic principle of supply, demand, and the equilibrium model using two essential products for architecture students, the T-square and the drawing back. Our report focus on perfect competition, a market structure characterized by many sellers offering similar product, ensuring fair pricing and transparency. This item is not just tool; they are vital for producing high quality work in our field. Let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about T-square. This tool is indispensable for precision drawing, commonly used in technical classes and studio projects. Its benefit include enhanced accuracy, durability, and availability in various sizes to suit different needs.
Now onto the drawing bag. This bag is perfect for safely transporting large size drawing, ensuring they remain undamaged. They are also made from sturdy materials and also reliable for daily use. With the option for A1, A2, and A3 sizes, the drawing bag meets the diverse needs of students, particularly during studio hours and final submission.
Now let's analyze the supply of this product. Starting with the T-square at 9 ringgit 80 supply, over 50 unit at 70 ringgit 90 cent. Supply increased to 25 unit at 20 ringgit and 23 ringgit 90 cent. Supply reached 30 unit at 30 ringgit. 45 unit are supplied. Finally, at 45 ringgit 90 cent, supply peak at 50 unit. Next, the drawing bag. At RM 38 ringgit 90 cent, supply start at 10 unit. At 43 ringgit 80 cent, supply increase to 50 unit. At 45 ringgit 90 cent, supply reach 20 unit. at RM49.90. 25 units are supplied at RM52.80. Supply peak at 30 units. From this data, it clears that higher price motivates supply to increase their stock.
Thank you, Wahid. Now, let's examine the demand for these products. Starting with this square, at RM9.80, demand is high at 40 units. At RM17.90, demand decreases to 35 units. At RM23.90, demand reaches 30 units. At RM30, demand drops further to 25 units. At RM44.90, demand is lowest at 15 units. For the drawing bag, at RM38.90, demand is 30 units. At RM43.80, demand is decreases to 25 units. At RM45.90, demand reaches 20 units. At RM49.90, demand drops to 10 units. At RM52.80, demand is lowest at 5 units. This pattern illustrates the law of demand. As prices rise, demand tends to decrease.
Let's discuss the equilibrium model. For the T-square, the supply and demand intersect at RM20.90, where 30 units are supply and demand. This is equilibrium point, ensuring a balanced market.
For the drawing bag, the equilibrium is reached up at RM45.90 with 20 units for supply and demand. This balance ensures there's no surplus or shortage in the market.
In conclusion, our analysis of the T-square and the drawing bag highlight the importance of understanding supply and demand in maintaining market balance.
By setting prices close to the equilibrium point, businesses like DOLLA can meet the consumer needs while avoiding surplus or shortage.
Okay, thank you for listening our presentation. We hope our analysis provide valuable insight into the practical application of economic principles. Bye.